At EVIT's Coronado Fire Science Academy, students get hands-on training in fire science and emergency medical services through a partnership with Scottsdale Unified School District.
Once I seen fire science, I was like, oh, maybe I'll try it out to see what it is.
I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do.
But as soon as I joined the program, I was like, I want to become a firefighter. People go through hardships every day, and I want to be that light for other people.
It's a really good opportunity for me and a lot of other people to start our careers.
In a smaller, team-focused environment, students train like first responders, building the skills and confidence needed for the fire service. With direct connections to local fire departments, students gain real-world experience and a clear path into the industry.
Scottsdale Fire Department came down to our class and they showed us around their truck. They go to medical calls and stuff, and I was like, oh wow, so firefighting is real.
Students have the opportunity to earn industry-recognized certifications, including their Wildland Firefighter certification.
When we received our Wildland certification, it made me realize this is a class where you can get into a position in life where you want to be.
For students here, it's not just about learning the job, it's about realizing what's possible.
Coming here and doing this every day, it takes a level of dedication and commitment and respect to yourself, to your peers, to your teachers, to everybody.
Once I found EVIT, I was just like, wow, I can actually become a part of the fire service. I can do what I want. If I put my mind to it and I set my heart to where I want to be in life, then I can be that light for other people.